The Audi RS6 is where luxury meets raw performance, and in its latest form it continues to prove why it's one of the most respected performance wagons in the world. From the outside, the RS6 looks aggressive yet refined, with a wide stance, sharp LED headlights, a bold honeycomb grille, and muscular fenders that instantly set it apart from a standard Audi. The low roofline and long body give it a unique presence, blending practicality with a motorsport-inspired design that feels both premium and powerful. Under the hood, the Audi RS6 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers explosive acceleration while remaining smooth and controlled. With quattro all-wheel drive and an advanced performance suspension, the RS6 launches hard, corners flat, and stays planted at high speeds. Whether on highways or twisty roads, the car feels confident and precise, offering supercar-level performance in a daily drivable package. The exhaust note is deep and aggressive, reminding you that this is not just a family wagon, it's a true RS machine. Inside, the Audi RS6 surrounds the driver with luxury and technology. The cabin features premium materials, sporty RS details, and a fully digital cockpit that puts performance data and navigation right in front of the driver. A large central touchscreen controls infotainment and vehicle settings, while advanced driver assistance systems add safety and convenience. Despite its performance focus, the RS6 remains comfortable and spacious, making it perfect for both long journeys and spirited driving. In terms of price, the Audi RS6 sits firmly in the premium performance segment, with pricing starting around the high six-figure range depending on market and options. While it's not cheap, the RS6 delivers something few cars can: extreme performance, everyday usability, and unmistakable Audi design in one complete package. The Audi RS6 isn't about choosing between speed and practicality, it's about having both, without compromise.